Today I am going to show you how to fix the Schedule 1 crashing issue on Steam. First, open Steam, go to your library, right click on the game and select Properties. From there, go to the Install Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This step often resolves the issue, especially if a recent update corrupted a file or if your system modified something unexpectedly. It's a great fix that can save you from having to reinstall the entire game. If verifying the game file doesn't work, the next likely cause is an outdated graphic driver. To update it, open your device manager by typing it into the Windows search bar. Expand the display adapter section. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Download and install the latest version manually. Restart your PC and that should fix the issue. If this helped, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell